Okay, so magandang araw sa ating lahat, no? We will be discussing trigonometry. Okay, so ito yung mga topic na pag-uusapan natin. No? We have angles and angle measurements, solution to right triangles, evaluating trigonometric functions and identities. We have solutions to oblique triangles, area of triangles. We have also spherical trigonometry, Napier circle, sine law, and we have the cosine law for spherical triangles. Okay. So una, we will be having angles, no? Sabi dito, the angles is formed by rotating a given ray about an endpoint to some terminal position. No? The common endpoint is called the vertex of the angle. So as you can see, dito meron tayong dalawang ray, tapos there is an angle, no? Meron tayong mga conversion. We are using sometimes it is in degrees, in radian, in gradient, and in mils. So you should be able to know how to convert, no? Isang buong ikot is 360 degrees. Equal din siya sa 2 pi radian. We have equal siya sa 400 radians. And we have the 6,400 mils also. Now, another one is if you are measuring angles, no, dito sa ating rotation, no? Kapag makakita ka ng rotation na going in this direction, okay, that is a positive angle, but if this is in this direction, that is a negative angle. So, bale, pag sinabi mong counterclockwise, no? Counterclockwise na angle, that's positive. Pero kung clockwise na angle, that is a negative angle, okay? So, do not forget that one. So, kagaya dito, no? The measure of 3.25 revolutions counterclockwise in degrees is magkano daw? So, unang-una, nung sinabi niyang counterclockwise, that means this is a positive angle. So, that means, di ba, remember natin that 360 degrees is equal to isang buong ikot or 1 revolution. So, cancellation of units lang. Makikita mo dito, the answer is positive 1,170. Okay? So, we have another question, no? The measure of 1.25 revolution, clockwise naman siya. No, nung sinabi niyang clockwise, that means this is a negative angle. So, pag sinabing negative angle, yan, convert mo lang din, no? Ring revolution to degrees. Makukuha mo dito, yung tamang sagot is nasa letter A, negative 450. Okay? So, another one is 4 revolution is equal to how many radians? By the way, guys, kung hindi sinabi whether it is clockwise or counterclockwise, that is understood to be a positive angle automatic, okay? So, nung sinabi na dito, 4 revolutions, positive diretso yan, no? We have, remember, 1 revolution is equal to 2 pi radian. Then, the answer is makikita nasa letter B, okay? Okay, so we have another question dito, no? 1,500 mils is equal to how many degrees? So, eto, diretso lang kasi alam naman natin na yung conversion is 360 degrees is 6,400 mils. So, makakancel out lang yung mils. We have 84.375 degrees. Okay? So, hopefully, no, hindi na tayo mawala if conversion lang from any other, kumbaga, angle units. Okay? So, another one is yung mga type of angles na kailangan nating maalala, no? We have the null angle. Ito yung pangalan kapag 0 degrees. No? Pag sinabing null, it's 0 degrees. So, if you have acute angles, ibig sabihin, those are angles which is less than 90. Okay, less than 90 degrees. We have right angle, diretso, pag meron kang 90 degrees. Kaya nga, kapag meron kang triangle na may 90 degrees, di ba, tinatawag nating right triangle yun. No, obtuse angle, so as you can see, no, meron siyang angle na greater than 90, but hindi lumalagpas ng 180 degrees. So, obtuse angle yung tawag doon, and we have the straight angle, which is 180 degrees, and the reflex, no, reflex angle, no, medyo nakakalimot yung iba dito, na yung reflex angle is 180, between 180 at saka 360. And ito, kadalasan hindi nakakalimutan, no, akala nila 360 degrees, isang 1 revolution, no, tama yun, full revolution, pero yung ibang tawag din pala dito, tinatawag siyang perigon, okay? Perigon means 360 degrees. Okay? So, ito, napaka-importante nito, no? Kasi ito, kapag hindi siya naintindihan fully, medyo mawawala ka, lalong-lalo na kapag naging word problem siya. Okay, so meron tayong tinatawag na complementary angles. Two angles are complementary when they add up to 90 degrees. So, walang problema, ang daling maalala ng definition niya, no? Angles na nag-a-add to 90, complementary tawag doon. Pero for example, sabihin natin na let's say theta, no? Let's say theta is the angle. So, ano yung complement ng angle? Kasi may mga tanong na the complement of a certain angle is 5 times its blah, blah, blah. So, dito, kailangan mong i-represent yung angle mismo. So, pag sinabi mong the angle is 90, if you say the angle is theta, then what is the complementary angle of that theta? Then you will say that is na 90 minus theta. Okay? So, ganun din kapag sinabi nating supplementary angles, so two angles are supplementary when they add up to 180 degrees. So, ibig sabihin, if sabihin natin that the angle is theta, then if you say what is the supplementary angle of theta or supplement of theta, then you would say 180 minus theta. Ayun. Tapos, pag explementary naman, siya naman din yung nag-a-add up to 360 degrees. So, ayun, no? Pag sinabi mong explementary angle, and if you say the angle is theta, then the explement of theta is 360 minus theta. So, matetest natin yan, no, dito sa ating first na tanong. Find the angle whose supplement are 4 times its complement. As you can see, find the angle whose supplement are 4 times its complement. So, let x to be our angle. Let's say x is equal to is the angle. What is the equation dito, no? Ito yung equation. Kung mapapansin niyo, no, we have the supplement. Ito yung supplement natin, di ba? Is 4 times sa kanyang complement. So, yun, no? Shift solve diretso, kuha mo letter A. Then, as you can see, what is the measure of an angle whose complement is 1/3 of its supplement? So, let x be the angles again. Then, we have this one. No? Tingnan natin kung tama ba sinabi dito. So, sabi kasi dito na meron tayong the measure of the angle whose complement, diba? The complement is 1/3 daw ng supplement niya. Okay? If x is the angle, then the complement of x is 90 minus x and the supplement of x is 180 minus x. So, shift solve mo ito, the answer is nasa letter B. Okay? Another one. Find the complement of the angle whose supplement is 152. So, automatic, let x be the angle. Ngayon, nung sinabi niya the supplement is 152, then we can say this, no? The supplement of the angle is 152. Then, ibig sabihin, makukuha mo ngayon yung value ng x. Ang problema ngayon, hindi po yan yung tinatanong. The question is, find the complement. Complement of 28 is 90 minus 28. Therefore, the correct answer is nasa letter B. Okay? A certain angle has an explement 5 times its supplement. So, dapat, no, nasasanay na tayo dito. So, let x be the angle. So, the explement, no, as you can see, the explement is 5 times sa kanyang supplement. So, find the angle lang naman. Shift solve. The answer will be at letter C. Okay? Now, let's have quadrantal and coterminal angle. So, let's talk about first quadrantal angle. So, may mga quadrantal angle. Sabi dito, if this terminal side of angle is standard position lies on the coordinate axis. So, ibig sabihin na alalagay sila sa x at saka sa y axis. So, as you can see, meron tayo dito, no? The 90 degrees. Meron din tayo dito the 180 degrees. And meron tayo dito the 270. Obviously, pag ito diretso mo, 360 is also a quadrantal angle. Diba? And hindi lang yan, guys, no? Pwede kasi natin sabihin din na quadrantal angle kapag negative, no? Negative rotation. So, ibig sabihin natin negative 90 yan. Tapos, dito naman, negative 180 po yan. Tapos, ito din, meron tayong negative 360 degrees. So, ibig sabihin, for as long as tumama siya sa axis natin, the x and y axis, quadrantal angle tawag dyan. So, meron din tayo tinatawag na coterminal. Angles in standard position that have same sides. Ano ibig sabihin nun, no? Angles in standard position that have same sides. Eh, kagaya nito, na 45 degrees yan. 45 degrees. Ayan. Tapos, meron din tayong kabaliktad yung ikot, no? Negative 315. Ayan. Coterminal silang dalawa. Pag sinabi mong coterminal, ibig sabihin, para bang bus ba, no? Same terminal, same ng papuntahan, same ng ending. So, bali, ang mangyayari, pwede natin makita, no? Ito at saka dito, same sila ng terminal. No, hindi lang yan, guys, no? Pwede ko kasing sabihin that this is another coterminal angle. So, bali yung 400, yung 45, dinagdagan ng isang buong ikot plus 360, that's another coterminal of that angle. So, ayun, no, isipin nyo lang palagi na kapag sinabing coterminal, they have the same value of their sine function. So, let's say, for example, let's say, sine of 45 and sine of negative 315, dapat magkapareho sila ng resulta. Okay? So, ayun. Okay, ayan. So, let's have the first question dito sa quadrantal at saka coterminal angle. Which of the following angle is not a quadrantal? So, kung mapapansin nyo dito, alam natin that 180 is quadrantal, di ba? So, straight angle yan, no? Tumatama yan talaga. Dito, for example, kung meron tayong axis, then we have this 180, no? Positive angle. Also, the negative 270 is dito. Klarong-klaro itong 160 imposible ng quadrantal to kasi alam natin 360 is we have its quadrantal, isang buong ikot yan. So the answer dito is letter C. Which of the following is a coterminal angle of negative 225? So unang-una, pinakamadaling paraan dito is actually gamitin yung calculator natin, no, para makakuha ng coterminal angle. Kasi isipin mo kung nakatingin ka lang sa mga angle tapos isipin mo kung saan dyan yung parehas ng ending, medyo mahihirapan ka talaga at matatagalan ka. So, pinaka-logical sagot dito is gamitan mo ng calculator. They have the same sign function kapag coterminal. No? Same value sila. Okay, testing natin sa calculator natin. Okay, so for example, we have sine of negative 225. So, in degrees ka dapat, kasi naka-degrees yung ating given. So, yan, square root of 2 over 2. So, kung i-test natin, sine of 225 sa letter A, negative siya, so hindi siya, mali siya, no? Tapos, we have negative 495. Mali din siya, kasi negative yon. And we have negative 945. Ayun, positive square root of 2 over 2. Para ma-make sure lang natin, test natin yung last. We have negative 135. Ayun, negative din siya. So, ibig sabihin, the correct answer dito is nasa letter C. Okay, ayun. So, nakuha natin, no? We have, the answer is nasa letter C. Okay, so same sila ng value when you have, pinasok mo siya sa sine function. Okay, so another one is yung tinatawag na reference angle. No? Ano ba yung reference angle? No? Given a non-quadrantal angle theta in a standard position, its reference angle theta is the acute angle formed by the terminal side and of the angle, no? The terminal side of the angle and the x-axis. So, kung mapapansin dito sa example natin, mayroon tayong pagkalaki-laking value ng theta. Ano ba yung kaniyang reference angle? So, yung pinakamalapit, kung saan yung angle na pinakamalapit siya sa x-axis, yun yung reference angle. As you can see, another angle dito. Okay? So, we have the reference angle to be this. So, what if lang sabihin natin na ang angle natin is dito? So, yan yung angle natin. So, ano yung reference angle? Siya na mismo din, no? Siya na mismo din, yun yung reference angle niya. Okay? So, diretso na yan. Okay? Siya yung angle dito, tapos siya na din yung pinakamalapit sa x-axis. So, walang problema. Siya na din yung reference angle. So, kagaya dito. What is the reference angle of 150 degrees? So, kung i-estimate mo, di ba, 90 yung dito na side. So, meaning, we have about siguro nandito, no? Sabihin natin, this is the 150 degrees. So, ibig sabihin, ano yung pinakamalapit na angle galing dito sa terminal niya, papunta sa x-axis. So, ito yun. So, ano yung angle dito? So, makikita mo naman, klarong-klaro, that is 180 minus 150. So, the answer dyan is nasa letter A. 30 degrees ito. Ito yung reference angle niya. Okay?